install this turn 5 diff brace. Yeah, this looks exactly like the Bell's, except the Bell's has the 2 bolts on the back, which let clear if you have any different type of diff cover, like if you have the Z1 or the Nismo with the fins, or if you have a rear cross member brace, this will help you with that. But this is just normal, and I wanted the jack point in the rear. So yeah, so let's go ahead and install this guy in. This should be relatively quick. Alright guys, so to install this, we're basically going to be removing these 2 bolts right here, which are, these are 2 17s. So just tap these guys loose. Right, simple enough. So take this bottom one out and the top one out. So after you do that, it should be relatively simple enough. There you go. I'm going to take 2 screws provided and the long screw provided. So this is the long one, and then you have 2 of these short ones. And you're going to basically lightly screw these on, put this piece on. So we're going to do that right now. All right. So what you're supposed to do this, you put the bolt in through first, then the spacer, and you run it, holding a bolt like so. Then you put the washer in the rear, and you put the nut in the rear. You spin it. There we go. Top one is in. Install these 2 guys right here, and this guy right here. Then you basically hold the back with a 19 mil and screw it on in the front with a 5/8 mil on the top here, and that's it. right. And then these guys, you have to torque them to 32 foot-pounds, which sadly I don't have a torque wrench that either goes that low or, yeah, that low. Everything that I have starts at like 60, so I'll give it the good old Ugga Dugga. So that feels like 30 something pounds. I know what 80 pounds feels like from mounting tires for a long time, so I'm going based on that. So that should be fine. All right, we're done. Install's good to go. That's what it looks like from the top. Yep, it's good to go, guys. This works with the Z1 if anyone's curious, but yep. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's a little bit loud. That's what it looks like on the bottom. Looks like on the side. That jack point right there, so you can lift it on the track without to lift straight up on your diff. Looks great. But anyway, I'm gonna let the battery charge a little bit. So now that we're back in here, next update, which I figured I might as well just show you now, is if I can get these guys out. I got some Z1 stainless steel lines that I'm going to be installing probably this weekend, hopefully. And this is the brake fluid that I'm going with. So I got 2 of these because you need about 1,500 milliliters, which is basically 1.5 of these containers. So this is what I'm going to go with for the brake fluid. But yeah, here are the lines right here with the new hardware, all from Z1. I'm not sponsored by these guys, but just a heads up, this is the part number if you need it. It's for a 350Z non-Brembo kit. You got the front and the rears. They're pretty legit. They look pretty good. But anyway, yeah, that's it for today. It was super quick install, less than 5 minutes really. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'll take a look at it and see how it behaves. But there's not that much more engine vibration, or diff vibration I should say, just from it idling. And I have the what's it called, the diff bushing, but I forget the brand that I had. Anyway, it's in one of my other videos how to install that. But yeah, so far so good. It feels really nice. So it's nice to have the jack point there and not have to lift it straight up off the diff. Not that it matters for me, but maybe for you. So yeah, it was like 80 bucks I think shipped, so not bad. Definitely a lot cheaper than the Bell one, but again, I'm not comparing Bell to these guys. So hopefully this will be a nice, I guess, counter review for those who are interested in buying it. But yeah, that's it. They took about 2 weeks to ship. Actually 1 week to ship because I basically bought it right after Black Friday. They got basically swamped with orders, but everything's fine. Shipped it. USPS came literally today. Installed in less than 5 minutes. So pretty good upgrade, I would say. And plus it looks cool, right? Alright guys, but thank you again for watching. So peace out. See you next time.